We have to solve the example integration sin 2x upon cos square plus 4 cos x plus 3. Now we have the formula of trigonometry sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So instead of sin 2x we, we will get integration 2 sin x cos x dx upon cos square x plus 4 cos x plus 3. Now put cos x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. We derivative of cos x is minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Now instead of cos x substitute t and sin x dx will become minus dt. So I is equal to minus 2t dt upon t square plus 4t plus 3. Now by partial fraction minus 2t upon t square plus 4t plus 3. So this quadratic equation will become t plus 3 and t plus 1, that is equal to a upon t plus 3 plus b upon t plus 2. So we will get the equation minus 2t is equal to a t plus 1 plus b t plus 3. Consider this as first equation. Now put t plus 3 is equal to 0. So t is equal to minus 3 in equation first. So minus 2 in bracket minus 3 is equal to a minus 3 plus t plus b0. Solving this we will get a is equal to minus 3. Now put t plus 1 is equal to 0. So t is equal to minus 1 in equation first. So minus 2 in bracket minus 1 is equal to a0 plus b minus 1 plus 3. Solving we will get b is equal to 1. Now I is equal to, substituting value of a and b, we will get I is equal to integration minus 3 upon t plus 3 plus 1 upon t plus 1 in bracket dt. So minus 3 integration 1 upon t plus 3 dt plus integration 1 upon t plus 1 dt. Integration is log t plus 3 upon d by dt of t plus 3 and log t plus 1 upon d by dt of t plus 1 plus c. That is equal to minus 3 log t plus 1 plus log t plus 1 plus c. Now substitute t is equal to cos x. So integration is minus 3 log cos x plus 3 plus log cos x plus 1 plus c.